Hey guys, today we're going to make ramen today. Okay, wait, let me open this. Okay, we got it. Now we're just gonna take this thing. Okay, we got this. Okay. Okay, we got the water. There you go, the water. Now we just need this thing. Go here. Oh, wait, this. Wait, let me get it out. Okay, let's go. Oh, wrong way. Wait. Huh? It's gone. Alright, let's go and put it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, it lit up. Okay. So, oh, stay on, mate. Start to boil. Okay, okay. Get this. Okay, we got this. Okay, we got this thing. Sadly, there's no eggs or what. So I just have to, yeah. There's the sharky. Okay. Huh? There's nothing here. Ah, it must be right here. Okay. Whoa! Oh, so. There you go. We got it. Let's go. So just like before, where I showcased my macaroni, mac and cheese, I have nothing to make the stand on, or yeah, I think that's what it calls. So I'm just gonna let's try this. Okay, it's kind of okay, not really. Never mind, guys. My battery is so low. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.